these are the XS Fives frames, and I'll show you how to take out and reinstall the lenses. So to take out the lenses, you take the top and bottom part of the frames and you pull apart and push the lens out. So again, top and bottom, pull and push. Now, it gets a little more complex when we want to reinstall the lenses. So you take this part of the lens and you slide it into the grooves that are located on this part of the frame. So you want to carefully slide in the lens, and when you do, make sure that this part of the lens and this part already are in their grooves. And you take your thumb and 2 fingers at the bottom. With your 2 fingers you push up while pushing down with your thumb, which creates a little bend, and you slide in the corner of the frame. And then and that should be it. The frame should have clicked into place. So again, you take this part of the lens and you slide it into this part of the frame. And when you do, you want to make sure that this part and this part of the lens are mostly in their frames. So you take the same thing. With your thumb, you push, and with your 2 fingers you push, creating a bend, and you push in this corner, and that should be it.